po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Sofia Nicole Arcangel, representing the Philippines in the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant, is on a remarkable journey of transformation and empowerment. As a proud contestant, Sofia embodies the spirit of resilience and change, embracing the motto, "You can't change the past, so focus on making a great future and be the force of transformation." Sofia's journey to Miss International Queen 2024 is a testament to her dedication and unwavering commitment to advocating for transgender rights and equality. From her early days in the pageant scene to her current status as a national representative, she has consistently demonstrated grace, intelligence, and a powerful voice for the LGBT+ community. Her participation in the pageant is not just about showcasing beauty and talent, but also about promoting acceptance, understanding, and love. Throughout her preparation for the international stage, Sofia has engaged in various activities, including public speaking engagements, community outreach program, and personal development workshops. These experiences have strengthened her resolve to be a beacon of hope and change, inspiring others to embrace their true selves and strive for a brighter future. Sofia's journey is marked by support of her family, friends, and the Filipino community who believe in her vision and mission. As she steps onto the global stage, she carries with her the dreams and aspiration of many, proving that with determination and courage, anyone can be a force of transformation. And her story's celebration of authenticity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow, making her a true symbol of pride for the Philippines in the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!